or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him, his legs are bandy and his knees are not. Look at him, that was obviously eggshell shock. That the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl.
Why are you so rude? Touchy. Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you wanna laugh and smile?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scare them off. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Now, that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him a chop.
Now in a moment, you will be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. And as you will notice, she has a red band of cloth around her arm. This is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means she is looked up to by both men and animals.
Now, don't turn your toes in, bow politely, and